everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, we are doing August 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the $25 a month subscription box, so we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Now, I usually have two. I do an Ipsy versus Ipsy. I did not get my daughter's box this month. I should look here. I did not get my daughter's box this month, honestly, for cost reasons, so I'm just doing my box. So this is supposed to be catered to a 45-year-old woman with black hair, brown eyes, very comfortable with makeup, and pretty much I want everything. I want everything except mascara, and I believe black eyeliner. I wanted it to be different. So anyways, let's see what's inside of this box. Ipsy always comes in this pink box, and it's always very bright. That's how you know, if you go to your mailbox, that Ipsy has arrived. So when you open up your box, it comes with this yellow foam to keep your items inside nice and safe. And there's always a saying inside the box that says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Which I think it's time to change the slogan a little bit. So my box is a little wonky, but doesn't matter because what's important is it's what's inside. I keep looking to the side. I apologize because I'm looking at the monitor, which I have to stop doing. But look at there. So it does come with this yellow foam, like I said, and you do get 5 full-size products in the $25 monthly box. It is monthly. It's not quarterly. It's not bi-monthly. Every month it's $25. But you're always guaranteed for like quadruple your money back. So let's see what's inside this box and see if it's worth it. So the theme for this box is Bear Yourself, August 2019. Hashtag Ipsy Bear Yourself. So there is a cute little card. And let's see what's inside. So celebrate all of you, not just part of you, all of you. I added that little part in. Play up your signature look, create the unexpected, let natural beauty shine. Your Glam Bag Plus picks will help highlight the beautiful things that make you unique. Like I said, this is a $25 box. I did get one add-on, which was like a $3 add-on, because by the time I remembered about add-ons, everything was gone. So I got what I got. Anyway, yeah, like I said, on September 2nd, on the back of this, you can add extra products to your September Glam Bag Plus starting at just $3. But hurry, supplies are limited and only available for 24 hours or until they sell out. And they sell out quickly if they have really good items. I think I wanted the Tetris, one of the Tetris palettes, but they were gone. It was $12. Anyway, let's get on with the goodies that's inside. That's what you all came for. So the first thing I am pulling out of here is Be Beautiful, Be You Farrah brushes. Very, very pretty. I actually like these. And these retail for $50. They do retail for $50. So let's see the brushes. Ooh, these are pretty. Oh, Farrah brushes are good. I have no complaints on Farrah brushes. But these are really, really nice. You have all of your eye here. So this is the Farrah brushes Show Me Magic Eye Brush Set. Retails for $50. This 5-piece set is 100% vegan and cruelty free, so you get that feel good glow up. So here are your brushes. Does anybody know what Farrah stands for? I mean, I probably can look it up, but I won't. Very nice. But I love look at the bottoms of these. These are really, really pretty. So they are plastic, but they look like crystals, and then they're ombre. Really, very pretty. So those are $50. So there you go, your box. If all you really wanted out of this entire box was these brushes, you got your money's worth right here. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is this. What is this? Suva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. Shake well before use. Applies a highlighter to the high points of the face and body. Mix into foundation or moisturizer for radiant and bright skin. So this is made in Italy. So there's your Suva Beauty drops. I have like a lot of highlighters, like my Jeffree Star highlighters. I have drops from other stuff. It is seals, but we're gonna break the seal. And what I'm gonna do is I won't touch my body. I will just drop a drop on my skin. So nothing touched me, because I might not keep this. I'll put it in a, so that's what the bottle looks like. And that's the box. What does this retail for? Okay, that retails for $26. It says Suva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops and Trust Fund. Ooh, very pretty. See, I wouldn't know how to put this on, like, in my phone. I don't know if I'd want to. This is good for a festival, maybe. I mean, it's pretty. Look at that. I don't know, can you see that? I always put it as goofy ass spot where I have to turn my hand. Hopefully you can see that. It's very pretty. Very illuminating. I'm trying to see if it dries. Dries quickly. Reminds me of, yeah, very, very pretty. There you go. I don't have my glasses on, so I can tell on the monitor. So that retails for $26. So right there, $76 worth of product. And the box is $25. So the next thing I am pulling out is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. And that's what that looks like. I really love, highly recommend their lotion. So good. Smells so, so, so good. But this one is a cream mask. So it says tip once or twice a week. Massage onto clean skin until fully absorbed. Rinse off after 3 to 5 minutes. For extra hydration, wear it to sleep, then rinse off in the AM. I will not open this because I'm using a couple other products right now, so I don't want to waste this. So that is the bottle there. And this retails for $33. That's a lot of money so far in this box. That's over $100, right? 50, 83, 26. Yeah, it's over $100. So the next thing we're gonna pull out of here is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation, and this is in the full coverage moisturizer. And that's what that box looks like. Titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. I guess those are sunscreens. But let's try it out. So this is in the color light. So yeah, they're saying, hey, 45-year-old woman, you need some of this. It Cosmetics. So let's just dab some. Let's see if I can get a little tiny bit. Yes. Yes, I did. Just a little bit. And I put it right on top of the shimmer stuff. So let's see. I don't know. You could tell if I go like this. So you could see it. I put the foundation on right there. Just a tiny, tiny little drop, and it covered a really nice portion. And it does, and if you use it with the drops, it gives you an illuminating effect. So I don't know if you can tell. Hopefully you can see the difference. But that's actually nice. So I can't wait to try this out. And this retails for $39.50. And that just says apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin, blending outward from the center of your face. Since it's super moisturizing, it can be used on top or in place of your skincare products. Awesome. Can't wait to try that out. It's hair. And that was $39.50. And the last item we get in our box, I have everything falling down here, is this Tarte Dream Big Amazonian Clay Palette. Yo, you can see my camera. And I already could tell you it's a boring palette, but that's pretty much Tarte. So it says Dream Big. You can see my junk in there. And comes with a full-size mirror. Full-size mirror. And then those are the colors. So it's a pretty neutral palette. I mean, it's good for an everyday look if that's what you're into, if you're not into anything like outrageous. And the colors, it's called This Is It, All In, Go For It, You Can, Happening, Hustle, Ambitious, and Risk Taker. So those are all the names on the palette. Very, very pretty. I don't want to swatch it because I'll be honest, I don't think I'll keep it. Because I already have all these colors. I believe I have the same colors in one of their other, kind of reminds me of their C one, like the round one palette. So I don't want to swatch it in case I give it away or something. I don't want to mess it up. So that's the palette, and the palette is worth $30. Double Duty Beauty. So if we add everything up, I will put it down here. 80, if I could do this in my head, I'll do it. 80, 106 plus 33. I gotta use my, let me use my calculator. So I said it was 30 plus 50 plus 33 plus 39, 50 plus 26. $178.50 was what this box is worth for the all 5 full-size products, no sales and all that blah blah blah. And the box only costs $25. Fantastic deal. I love everything in here. The palette, but the palette is good. I guess it's catered to a 45-year-old woman, so they figured you can use some neutrals, which is not that bad. I would definitely use that palette if I didn't have any other palettes, but I have a lot of other Tarte palettes. Those colors are in there. Then the last thing I got was this Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. And this was $3 add-on. I think it's a $3 add-on. Yeah, because I don't think this is $12. Now I regret paying $3 for this, because this is something I could have probably gotten from Sephora for free by just walking in and asking for her. Whatever, it is what it is. So this was the $3 add-on. So that's everything I got in my box. I love everything in there. I'll use everything, probably not the drops, because I already have a bunch of drops. I have like little sample drops as well, so I'll probably put this in some kind of mystery box. I will link my eBay and Mercari store down below if you're interested in any of those products. You can hit me up on that. So let's recap. We got the Suva Beauty Liquid Chrome Drops, and this was in the color Trust Fund. And I got the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation and Light. Then I also received the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask, which is that one. And then I also received the Dream Big Amazonian Clay Palette, which is those colors there. So this is called Dream Big, but those are the colors in the palette. And also the Farrow brushes that were $50, and then the $3 add-on that I got, which I'll probably be using tonight because I want to try it out. And that's everything that came in the box. So let me know in the comment section down below if you got the same box. If you didn't get, what was your, what were the differences in your box? I don't think there's a number. Well, there's this number down here, but I don't know if that means anything to anybody, like variation or whatever, or because they're supposed to go by your profile. So let me know in the comment section down below if you get this box, what did you get? If you don't get this box, this is something you'd willing to try. I will link the information down below, so if you're interested in getting the box, be more than happy to get it. I mean, it's worth it. Even if you can't get it every month, I believe on the account settings you can have it where you get it every other month, so you don't get a box every month. I think it's every month. Like, you can skip months in between, because it says getting too many products, you can then set it up for a different rate, but it's all up to you. So thank you for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. I hope you liked what was in the box. I liked everything in the box. I think it was nice, except the palette. But then again, you can't go wrong with a neutral palette. So until next time, yeah, don't forget to hit the like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and that notification bell so you're notified of all my future releases. So until next time, hasta later.